Guys, what is it with baby telling the truth in public? Like, a baby is like straightforward when they like saw how a human is in public. Like, for example, Dad, is that a monkey? Guys, Australian accent is like literally so funny. Sorry for the Australians watching, but let me give you an example for how funny Australian accent is.
Dodgy.
Yes, my child.
Math kangaroo.
All right. A lot of people only have one friend with the weirdest laugh in a friend group. For example, what do you call a deer with no eyes?
What?
No idea.